The squat is an essential foundational human movement. The ability to get down to the floor and get back up under our own body weight is really important. So that's something we're going to work on during this course. And what I want you to do to get the right form for this is to start with your feet about hip width apart and your toes pointing slightly outwards. Keep your weight evenly distributed across the 2 feet. And then what you're aiming to do is to come down and your knees will follow the line of your toes as you come down. So I don't want to see any collapsing inwards or coming outwards. You're not trying to remain nice and stable with the weight of your body so that there's no harm done to the knees. When you look at this from the side, you can see that I'm trying to start from a nice upright position, and then my hips coming out backwards as I lower my body, and I'm thinking about my chest dropping through between my legs, and then from here I'm pushing up through the heels and using my bum to lift me back up, and all the while trying to keep a nice upright position in the back, not bending over, not excessively arching, and then coming back up to standing. Coming down, hips come back out, body lowers, then squeeze back up. If that's proving difficult, you can always limit your range of motion, so you can just go as far as is comfortable. We'd like to see the hips at about knee height, but that's okay if you can only get to here for the moment. If you can get further, nice and low, that's great. And if you're struggling with that, then take a chair, bring it behind you, sit down, rest, and then push to get back up. You repeat that movement. And then we're going to track how many squats we can do before failure and see how we progress in time.